Fashion is an essential part of our lives, but the fashion industry has a significant impact on the environment. Sustainable fashion focuses on making choices that are kind to the planet and the people who make our clothes. In this video, we talk about sustainable fashion trends and steps so you can shop eco-friendly. So make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's get into the video. Secondhand shopping. One of the most popular trends in sustainable fashion is secondhand shopping. Thrift stores and vintage shops are great places to find unique and stylish clothes without contributing to new production. Shopping secondhand extends the life of clothing and reduces waste, which is crucial in combating the fast fashion industry's environmental impact. Fast fashion often leads to clothes being worn only a few times before they are discarded, contributing to significant waste and pollution. With the rise of technology, there are now many online platforms where you can buy and sell secondhand clothes. Websites and apps like Depop, Poshmark, and ThredUp make it easy to find pre-loved items from the comfort of your home. These platforms often have a wide variety of styles and brands, so you can find exactly what you're looking for. Additionally, some of these platforms have built-in features to ensure the quality and authenticity of the items being sold, providing a safe and reliable shopping experience. Support ethical brands. Ethical brands are companies that prioritize fair labor practices, environmental responsibility, and sustainability in their production processes. These brands often use eco-friendly materials and ensure that their workers are paid fairly in work and safe conditions. By supporting these brands, consumers can help drive demand for ethical practices in the fashion industry, encouraging more companies to adopt sustainable and fair methods. Some well-known ethical fashion brands include Patagonia, Eileen Fisher, and People Tree. These companies are committed to making a positive impact on the environment and society. For example, Patagonia is known for its dedication to environmental activism and its use of recycled materials. Eileen Fisher emphasizes simplicity and sustainability in its designs, and People Tree works directly with artisans and farmers to produce ethical and eco-friendly clothing. Choose eco-friendly materials. Traditional cotton farming uses a lot of water and pesticides, which can harm the environment. Organic cotton is grown without harmful chemicals and uses less water. This not only benefits the environment, but also the health of the farmers and communities involved in its production. Hemp is another eco-friendly material that requires minimal water and no pesticides. Clothes made from these materials are not only sustainable, but also comfortable and durable, often outlasting their conventional counterparts. Another trend in sustainable fashion is the use of recycled materials. Many brands are now creating clothes from recycled fabrics, plastic bottles, and other waste materials. This reduces the need for new resources and helps keep waste out of landfills. For instance, companies like Adidas and Stella McCartney have developed collections made from ocean plastic, turning waste into high-performance sportswear. Adopt a minimalist wardrobe. A minimalist wardrobe is one of the most effective ways to practice sustainable fashion. This approach involves having fewer high-quality pieces that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. The benefits include less clutter, easier decision-making, and a smaller environmental footprint. By focusing on quality over quantity, you can create a timeless and versatile wardrobe that reflects your style while being environmentally friendly. To build a minimalist wardrobe, start by decluttering your closet. Keep only the items you love and wear regularly. Focus on versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down, such as a classic white shirt, a well-fitted pair of jeans, or a little black dress. Invest in timeless, high-quality items that will last for years. Natural fabrics like wool, cotton, and linen are often more durable and sustainable than synthetic alternatives. DIY fashion and upcycling. DIY fashion is a fun and creative way to practice sustainability. You can personalize your clothes by adding patches, embroidery, or paint. This not only gives your clothes a unique look, but also extends their life. DIY projects can range from simple alterations, like hemming pants or sewing on a button, to more complex creations, such as making a new dress from old t-shirts. These projects allow you to express your creativity and make your wardrobe truly one of a kind. Upcycling involves transforming old clothes into something new and useful. For example, you can turn an old t-shirt into a tote bag or cut jeans into shorts. There are many tutorials and ideas online to help you get started. Upcycling is a great way to reduce waste and create one-of-a-kind items. Take care of your clothes. Taking good care of your clothes can make them last longer and reduce the need for new purchases. Wash clothes in cold water and avoid using a dryer when possible. Air drying is gentler on fabrics and saves energy. Store clothes properly to prevent damage. Use hangers for delicate items and fold heavier ones to maintain their shape. Simple steps like these can significantly extend the life of your garments, reducing waste and saving money in the long run. Instead of throwing away clothes with minor damages, learn to repair and mend them. Simple sewing skills can help you fix holes, replace buttons, and patch up worn areas. Many communities also have repair cafes or workshops where you can get help fixing your clothes. By repairing instead of replacing, you can extend the life of your wardrobe and reduce waste. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Green Life Guide to stay updated with the latest content. You can also send your queries on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Thanks for watching.